No, I'm still happy just because it's Friday.
And making it a Friday always helps.
Yeah.
I do expect to find some showers this afternoon, but I think that's a good thing. We've got all that pollen that needs to get washed down. Really haven't had a lot of rain over the past couple of weeks, so we got thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens out there. And I think today is our first chance of what should be a couple over the next week or so to get some rain opportunities. We're starting pretty warm in the 60s. We're probably going to top out someplace in the middle and upper 70s, depending on how long we have to wait for those showers. And today it's going to be about patience. We're going to have to wait until the afternoon mostly for those showers to get here. And then overnight tonight, we start to clear things out, and that will allow the temperatures to fall. When you wake up tomorrow morning, it's going to feel a little different outside, going to be a little cooler, and maybe cooler still on Sunday morning. And that's just the taste. There's more cool in store, as much of next week is going to feel a lot more like March. Now, I see a few showers north of Albany, north of Moultrie. It's not much. And over the past couple of hours, maybe they're trying to sink a little bit more south. But this is all ahead of the main energy. The main energy is like this afternoon, this evening. That's when we have our best chance to wring some showers out of the clouds. Ahead of that, in this warm, humid air mass, we can certainly find some showers. So we'll put some rain chances in the forecast early, but really, we're talking 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. That's our best chance for some actual showers, maybe even rumble of thunder mixed in there. It's 59 this morning in Thomasville. It's 60 in Valdosta. It's 61 in Tallahassee. So way warmer than normal still. We're supposed to be in the upper 40s instead of the upper 50s and low 60s. Dew point numbers getting closer to 60 tells me there's a lot more moisture in the air. You can feel it. You can see it with some patchy fog out there, by the way, which is not out of control. We'll check those visibilities in a second. I see 57 in Cross City, 69 at Apalachicola, just 55 in Homerville, and 64 in Bainbridge. So got a little variety of temperatures like yesterday, the cooler spots to the east. The breeze is from the south early. It'll turn more southwest and even west and northwest when we get to the other side of that boundary by tonight, and that's what will push in some of the drier and cooler air for tomorrow. Here are those visibility numbers, pretty much better than 5 miles, so I'm not seeing a lot of fog out there this morning. We could see some patchy fog. We certainly will feel some of that humidity, but that boundary is still way back here, and it's going to take several hours to get across our area. As we get to 4, 5, 6 o'clock, we'll see the squeeze start happening, and so will those showers. Can't rule out a rumble of thunder. I don't think we're talking about widespread dangerous outbreak here. I don't think we're talking about everybody gets a good soaking rain, but a decent shot at least for 30-minute downpour and done type rain. And then as we get past midnight, then those showers move through the area. So once we get past midnight and clear out those clouds, it should turn out to be a pretty bright and pretty nice looking Saturday. Just going to feel a little bit more like March out there instead of the May-like weather we've been having. And then we'll start looking upstream for the next piece of energy to get here. Now that we don't have all that big blocking high pressure to our east, systems can get through with a little more regularity, and that means we're going to find more changes to the forecast more frequently. On the Gulf, winds start southwest, end up west and northwest, like 8 to 16 and seas 2 to 4 feet. It's 50s and 60s this morning. Got the rain chances at 30%, so small but not zero. This afternoon, up to a 60% shot. I think the warm spots get to the upper 70s. Lots of clouds today. Once we get those showers and storms through, overnight tonight comes the clearing, and with that cooling. A lot of us are going to wake up tomorrow morning near 50. Don't forget tomorrow night before you go to bed to turn those clocks forward. Sunday morning we wake up and it might be in the 40s in more spots. I do see that next chance for showers to come here by Monday. We'll see if we have to speed that timing up or not. And then on the other side of that, another push of cooler air. Daytime highs Tuesday and Wednesday may struggle to get back to 60, and those morning temperatures, they may drop a little.